Kristen, thanks. Breaking news now. New reaction to District Attorney Stephen Zappala and his decision not to offer plea deals to clients of one particular lawyer.
Yeah, and we're hearing from many organizations today, including the Pittsburgh Black Lawyers Alliance, also the Pittsburgh Black Empowerment Project, which is addressing that issue right now, and Mayor Bill Peduto, who's calling for an investigation.
It is abuse of office, that it is a personal attack against one individual.
And tonight, Zappala himself explaining his actions. We have team coverage on this story. Jessica Guay is covering the BPEP news conference.
First, though, Chris Hoffman, he's been tracking the fallout, including the statements Zappala released late today. Chris.
Now, that memo that we've been reporting on the last 2 days, we've now been able to confirm that memo. In it, DA Zappala says he does want his office to not offer plea agreements to Milton Rayford's clients. But in a statement this afternoon, he says that's all because Milton Rayford doesn't want plea agreements from the DA's office. In the 44-page court transcript from a hearing on May 13th, you can see where attorney Milton Rayford calls out systemic racism in the local criminal justice system, saying, quote, "Your Honor, I think the DA's office is systematically racist," and later says he's not going for these, quote, "crazy plea agreements." In a memo sent to deputy district attorneys 5 days later, DA Zappala said he would take that request seriously and not offer pleas to Rayford.
This is a direct action against an individual, which has taken that individual's livelihood away from them.
Today, Pittsburgh Mayor Bill Peduto accused the DA of also attacking the mayor's office over the last 8 years and says this is not surprising to him.
This is the way of doing business with the DA's office in Allegheny County.
The Pittsburgh Black Lawyer Alliance is now calling for a full investigation, saying this policy humiliates Rayford. In a statement, it says, quote, "Zappala's use of his position and power to deny due process to Rayford's clients perpetuates the systemic inequality and racism that Rayford called to eradicate and demonstrates that under Zappala's watch, people get the process that Zappala believes they are due and not the due process required and guaranteed by our Constitution." The organization says Zappala's decision violates his oath as an attorney, as a district attorney, and makes him unfit for office. As for Mayor Bill Peduto, he stopped short of saying the DA should resign.
I won't join the bandwagon of those that would just want to put him in a stockade. I would, though, urge the Attorney General and the Pennsylvania Supreme Court to speak out today.
Now, just in the last few minutes, we heard back from the state attorney general. We heard back from a spokesperson, actually, who says what's been reported is concerning, and the questions about professional conduct and ethical behavior are the responsibility of the state's discretionary board. Now, in the last 30 minutes, the Black Political Empowerment Project held a news conference about all this. Jessica Guay was inside, and she continues our coverage now. Jess.
Yes, Chris, we are outside of the Black Political Empowerment Project headquarters where CEO Tim Stevens just addressed those allegations that you've been looking into about Allegheny County District Attorney Stephen Zappala not offering plea deals to clients of attorney Milton Rayford. And this all came about, as you said, after Rayford called out systemic racism in the DA's office. We heard Stevens sharing his strong reaction just moments ago. He said Zappala's new policy has to be some form of DA misconduct and said that his behavior is callous, unethical, and prejudicial. Stevens made it clear that he thinks Zappala should resign. Hear what else he had to say.
Who does Mr. Zappala think he is to outright prejudice every client of an attorney who had the nerve simply to share his honest feelings about justice in Allegheny County?
Now, we did hear more reaction from other BPEP members while we were inside, and they all were calling for Zappala to step down. Now, Zappala's statements that he released today explains how attorney Rayford said he didn't want plea agreements from the DA. We'll be sharing more information and more reactions throughout the day here on KDKA. Live in the Hill District, Jessica Guay, KDKA News.